So great. Okay, so what are you gonna make for
Okay,
us?
so I'm gonna do something with this because I put my nose up to it and I'm just getting
It's so
a lot of really
Yeah.
beautiful
Fruit, yeah.
fruit.
Really happy with the way that came out.
Yeah. So I'm gonna do kind of a paper plane variant kind of thing.
I love it.
I think this would go really well
Okay.
with like the Aperol kind of thing. So, I'm gonna go ahead and do that.
Awesome. You have the cocktail glasses right behind you. If you want
Yes.
to put them in the freezer, it's right down there.
Oh, perfect.
Yeah, there you go. If you find space.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that. Employees only glass.
Oh, look at that.
How convenient.
Right?
These seem familiar.
Yeah.
I like those.
Right.
It's a nice glass.
Yeah, very nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, very, very nice.
All right.
Do you get those etched in New York?
I don't know where we
Yeah.
get them from. I have to ask the office. But we didn't have them for the longest time, and I was really unhappy because I think cocktail has to have also a visual appeal,
Totally.
you know, and yeah,
It's a finishing touch.
yeah. Cool. So you're making two, and then
Two.
Eric's gonna make two.
Of course.
Couple.
That's great. So I think the elders get the first drinks, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Touch of the yuzu.
Oh,
I
touch of
love this
yuzu. Yeah, this is a great product. I love it. Yeah.
Right.
What flavor does that dry curacao?
Yuzu.
Yuzu.
Pure yuzu.
Yeah.
No.
Juice.
Anything else? Any spices in there?
I wouldn't be able to tell you. I have a few of them that I got sent
That one
to.
specifically, it's a yuzu.
It's a yuzu, I think. And it's very, very versatile. It works really well in cocktails. Ah, paper plane.
You can roll it as well.
Ooh, basil oil. That's a novelty. All right.
Let's smell that.
You happy? You need something else?
Need something else.
Okay.
Simple syrup.
Ah, right under
Ah, got it.
there you go.
Just a touch.
I want something with vodka, no sugar, not sweet. You happy? Yes.
Yes.
But I don't have a little plane. You know, like for a garnish, a little like paper plane. That would be nice.
Remember the cocktail we had with the bacon? You can, and then
You
the
can, yeah, you can put the bacon. Yeah, this is pretty cool. We don't have paper planes, but we have UFOs.
I didn't see any on my trip.
No, yeah, that's. And you were fishing right outside.
We were all night.
Yeah. What do you need, sir?
Garnish. I don't know. Oh, right here. Good.
Ah, there we go. Wow.
So,
put absinthe and put it in flames.
Awesome. Look at that. That's so cool.
alrighty.
Eric, you next.
Ready?
Yeah, of course.
All right. So let's give one to Marco to taste.
Oh,
Yeah,
man.
You guys are the judges.
We're not judging. This is a bar. We're not judging anything.
Thirsty.
Huh?
See?
Givelino.
Givelino.
You, buddy.
All
Lemon.
right. Phew, so good. Oh my God. You nailed this one. Try it.
No, I tried it. Very good.
It's a great summer cocktail. Oh my God.
Wow.
It's right down my alley, man. You did a great job with this.
Let's can that.
Let's get that.
But you
Yeah.
see, like it doesn't. I mean, there's a lot of stuff in there, but I really
But
do
not
like
really.
I like the. You're getting those blood orange mandarin notes for sure in that, and those are really kind of shining through, which is very, very nice.
Awesome.
And that kind of Aperol carries that as well. And
Yeah, it works really well with Aperol, actually.
What I'm gonna do, essentially, it would be a variation maybe on blood and sand.
Okay. Oh, nice.
So,
Blood and
It
sand.
consists of what is it? Whiskey, Cherry Heering,
Scotch,
orange,
right?
yeah, Scotch. So this I'm gonna sub the Scotch with Charbay French brandy.
I don't know.
We'll see.
I like that too much. But please use whatever you want.
That's why you're saying you don't know. It's because you don't.
I'm like, don't pour all of my brandy.
We've got another whiskey too.
Can I actually see that bottle?
Okay.
Come on.
Okay.
Let me check.
Let's see.
This is Fall Blanche, 100 proof, like 100% Fall Blanche, 30-year-old brandy.
It smells amazing.
Yeah,
We barrel aged it for 28 years.
28 years.
Actually, that's the 89. That's
it? 28 years?
That was barrel aged for 24 years.
Wow.
Yep.
That's crazy.
I love this.
I love it
I
too.
love this stuff. It's so dry.
92 proof.
It's beautiful, dry. Yeah. You'll need orange juice, no? No?
I'm gonna sub it.
You okay? All right. I'm so proud of you guys. Good for you. All right.
Just.
Sweet vermouth.
Yes.
I know something was missing. Look at you. Pour straight from the. You know who pours straight from the bottle? What famous bar in the world pours straight from the bottle? No
speed pours?
Yeah.
Attaboy.
Attaboy does that?
Yeah, Attaboy does.
Beautiful. You know what? Who else? Schumann's bar.
Yeah.
Schumann's bar. Charles Schumann's bar. In Munich.
They have the Attaboy has a whole like you have to pull the cork and then you hold it in your hand while you pour and it's like a whole like requirement
Like jazz
like
hands?
stylized. Yeah, I mean but it's very stylized.
I like it.
It's special.
I like Attaboy. I like every bar. These days I love dive bars. You know?
Yeah, nothing wrong with that.
I really like a dive bar. That's probably because I'm a drunk now, a real drunk. So, look at that.
Fun,
Has the color.
Dang.
Has the color. Look at that.
I think that's one of the first cocktails using the 89 brandy.
I am so excited. I just had some.
Yeah.
Ooh, look at that.
That wash line.
Right?
Wow.
Do you have cherries here? No cherries.
Cherries, yeah, right there.
Yeah.
We have cherries, we have everything.
The crema.
I learned from the best, from you guys.
It's like espresso martini.
Right?
Look at that.
Gosh, what? Cherry.
There you go. Yeehaw.
There we go.
Bravo.
I love it.
Eat them all.
That's
Let's
that.
go.
There you go, guys.
Well, thank you.
Well, cheers.
We'll taste it, then you can have it.
Of course.
Cheers, thank you.
Of course.
Julie.
Julie.
So,
Drop it.
Whoa. Tasty, dude.
oh, very
It's
nice.
like a old world.
Oh, this is very nice. Congratulations, young Eric.
Thank you.
You represent properly. Thank you.